Since we welcomed our first cohort in 2013, we have genuinely been transforming lives. We're creating a pipeline of highly skilled people that's so needed for the future workforce to drive growth regionally and nationally. Importantly, we listen and respond to the needs of industry so they can keep pace with technological change, whether that's on nuclear, net zero, sustainability or Industry 4. We ensure they have the right talent. The University of Sheffield AMRC Training Centre is not just a place of learning, it's an engine for progress, helping businesses to thrive and grow and bringing prosperity to people and places.